Good morning, dear students. I, Pooja Rajvanshi, your mathematics teacher, welcome you all for the mathematics home mentoring session of the ST Vidya School, Ambala, Kent. Dear children, in this video, we are going to discuss about large numbers. Before we move ahead, we have a recapitulation exercise in front of us. I would like to discuss over here, children, that in our earlier classes also, we were already studying the large numbers, weren't we? We were already studying large numbers. In the large numbers, what we studied up till grade 3 was ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Right? So in the recapitulation exercise, children, we will be using these headings to do our questions. So the first question is, write the given numbers in words. Here words, children, I would like to mention out here that as in English, we have alphabets from A to Z. We join them and we make different words, right? We can make Rohan, we can make Soham and so on, whatever we want. So words means we express it by joining the alphabets. Simple. The first part, children, before you get confused, this recapitulation exercise has to be neatly done in the books itself. Pick up your sharpened pencils, put today's date and start writing in the books. As you see the video, you can pause the video and write the answer in the books. Is that clear? So let's move on. The first question, children, the number given to me is 5698. So if I write ones, tens, hundreds and thousands on the top of it, for my convenience, I don't have marks for writing this. You can write it for your help, or you may, if you are experts, you may skip it, right? So how will you read it? You will read it as 5698. So in the red color I have written this for you. It is 5698, right? In this big box, there is a B part of this question in your books on the page number 1. This you are supposed to do it yourself. When you send across the PDF to me for checking, right, I will be checking if you have done it right or wrong. So let's move to the next question. You turn up your page number 2. Question number 2. You will turn up your page number 2. Question number 2. Again in the books, with a sharpened pencil, you have to write the following numerals. Dear children, numerals means numbers. Numerals means numbers. So the statement is given to us 2410. I have to tell what number it is. So we have these places, right? We have these places, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So at the thousand place I have a 2. At the hundreds place I have 400 and 2410. At the tens place I have 1 and I have nothing at the ones place. So it makes 2410 in the numbers. Dear children, then you have to write the largest 4-digit number. This you have rightly done in your grade 3. You will write it yourselves. Self-attempt question means you, all the good babies, have to do it on your own, right? And the third part I have done for you. The smallest 4-digit number, yes, you all know it. It is 1000. It is 1000. Because if I subtract 1 from it, I get a 3-digit number, which is the largest 3-digit number. Got it? Let's move on to question number 3. In this question, children, we are supposed to put the greater or the less than sign. You might have studied in the previous classes that open mouth, say if you have an alligator or somebody and the mouth is open, then that is greater, you know. Open mouth represents the greater one, right? So do remember these symbols. This is greater, which has open mouth. This edge, which is closed, it is in front of the smaller number, right? Right. So you also are aware, and just now you have, I hope, gone through the conceptual video. To identify which is bigger, we first of all look at the biggest place value. We look at the biggest place value, which ma'am has underlined, right? Both are same. I cannot identify which is greater. I come to the next one. The next biggest, that is the hundredths place. Here is 2, here is 5, and 5 is bigger. So the open mouth will come for 1569. Clear? B part you will do on your own. D part you will do on your own. I have done C part for you. In the C part, children, you are able to see that we have a addition sum first of all, and then a subtraction sum. Now the ones who are very, very quick in mathematics can do it oral. How? This is a 10. So you subtract 1 from the tens place. Sorry, you add 1 to the tens place because this is addition. So 90 plus 10 makes 100. When you add 1 to the hundredths place, you get 3700. If you are having any confusion, pick up a scale, draw a rough column in your books on the right hand side, write rough walk, and arrange it in the vertical, and please add it quickly. Add it quickly. In the maths, you are allowed to make these rough columns without even asking the teacher or the parent. Right, children? So this is my answer. I have written it just below it. So in your books, write this answer just below on the left hand side. On the right hand side, children, I have to subtract 60. If you can visualize, if you can imagine, if I subtract 60 from 60, I will get these two zeros. I will get these two zeros. Will I? Yes, I will. Right? So subtracting 3660, subtracting 60 from it, I get 3600. Now compare 3 and 3 are same. Sorry, 7 is bigger than 6. So the open mouth will be in front of 3700. I hope it is very, very clear how we do the greater and the less than sign, children. Yes? Now let's come to the next question. And again I am repeating, all the questions are to be done in the books. You can pause the video and write in the books. No hurry. Take your time. Right? But बहुत सारा time भी नहीं. You are not supposed to take immense time, huge time, right? You have to be quick in your work. So question number 4 is fill in the blank with the correct numbers. Question number 4 is fill in the blank with the correct numbers. Predecessor, children. What is a predecessor? What is a predecessor? Yes, quick. When we subtract 1. What is a predecessor? We are doing all these questions in the earlier classes as well. So what is a predecessor? Pre. Always remember, pre means before. Right? Pre means before. Pehle. Predecessor. So predecessor is always -1. And what is successor? Successor is always +1. That is the after questions which you have done in your earlier classes. Right, children? Predecessor is -1 and successor is +1. Right? So the predecessor of 4000, you subtract it. You can of course make a rough column in this format in your books if you are having any difficulty. And you borrow. You make 10 here, again borrow, then again borrow. You will have 9, 9, 9 and 3. So your answer is 3999. Successor, you add 1, that is very easy. You add 1 at the ones place here and you get this answer. 1 less than is again subtracting 1. So you subtract 1 from 9999 and you see what you get is 9, 9, 9 and 8. Clear, children? Let's move on to question number 5. Children, pause the video if you want breaks anywhere, right? Using the digits 6, 1, 3 and 9, you are supposed to form the greatest number. For the greatest number, children, what do? You write the descending order. from the, what is descending order? Big to small. Remember? And to write the smallest number, you write the ascending order. And the ascending order is from small to big. Remember? Yes? So the greatest number is, we start writing from the biggest number, 9, 6, 3, 1. So here's a little mistake in typing. It is 9, 6, 3, 1. Right? It is 9, 6, 3, 1. The smallest number, it is ascending order. 1, 3, 6, 9. Right, children? Let's move on to the next question. Children, any time where you feel that listening the video one time is not sufficient, you can re-listen going at the back. Still, if you are having any doubts, we will be shortly meeting in the live class. Yes?